Citations everyone, my name is PhuCat, and welcome to the cooking video. Today I'm going to be making anabolic chili cheese fries. I'm calling it anabolic because that's what all the YouTube recommendation videos have been calling it, but this is going to be my version. I'm not going to be calling it anabolic, I'm just going to simply call it a recipe. So, I used to love chili cheese fries as a kid. I used to eat them from Sonic all the time. But nowadays, I feel like they've gone downhill, especially since they messed up my order. But I'm going to show you all the requirements to making this. Then I'm going to show you all the measurements and all the ingredients. So we're going to go ahead and get to work right now. Here are the requirements, starting with the most important item, which is the food scale. It will not only help with the recipes, but it will also keep you on track throughout your entire fitness journey. An air fryer for the fries, because it's much healthier than deep frying. A small cooking pot for the chili, and a wooden spoon to mix the chili. And now for the ingredients. I live in the East Coast, so I'm going to tell you all the stores available near me. You're going to need an Idaho Baked Potato, which is available at Walmart for 98 cents. Ground turkey, which you can find anywhere, but if you're looking for the one packaged like in this image here, then I suggest shopping at Walmart or Kroger. The leaner it is, the less calories it's going to contain. Fat-free shredded cheddar. These used to be extremely difficult to find. I had a hard time looking for it back in 2019, but they're now available at Walmart, Publix, and Ingles. Chili seasoning. Again, you can find these anywhere, but if you want the specific brand from this video, then you can easily find it at Walmart for about 50 to 60 cents. Pink Himalayan salt. Once again, you can find this seasoning anywhere, but if you're looking to save money, then you can either purchase a big bottle at Sam's, or purchase a smaller price at Big Lots. Olive oil cooking spray. This brand, Pompeian, is available at Walmart and Ingles, but you can buy olive oil cooking spray generally anywhere. And finally, Cayenne Pepper, which is optional unless you like some spicy flavor. Plus, it does come with a lot of health benefits, such as boosting your metabolism and reducing high blood pressure. I'm just going to note that calories aren't going to be exact here, so I just measure out under 300 grams, which these potatoes typically are. And I know it's already baked, but still, make sure to wash the potato and flip it vertical to cut it. Like so. It's pretty tough on the inside. And it should look something like this. Now cut these slices with the tip of the knife straight down, and then flip it horizontal and cut it that way. You don't really have to do this, but it feels like you're eating more volume this way. Once you get your fries, go ahead and spray with olive oil cooking spray, and oh my gosh, I have a creepy hand. But you're going to mix it together with said creepy hand. Then add 7 grams of pink Himalayan salt and mix once more. Now with the food scale, measure out 4 ounces of ground turkey, 7 grams of chili seasoning, 40 grams of water, and 28 grams of fat-free shredded cheddar. With the air fryer, set it to 350 degrees for about 13 minutes and throw those fries in. Make sure to shake the fries on the halfway point. Now with a small cooking pot, spray some cooking spray inside and let it heat up. With the pot heated up, throw the ground turkey in and break it down so everything gets cooked. After a few minutes, you should see some fat in the pot. That's a big no-no, so be sure to dump that out and put the small pot back onto the stove. Once most of the fat is gone, add the water and chili seasoning. Mix it until it all absorbs. Once everything is absorbed, add the fat-free shredded cheddar to the chili and mix. Now you're ready to assemble it all. Alright, so Mr. Chili Cheese Fries is sitting with me right now. I'm going to go ahead and tell you the macros. So total calories is 456 for this entire bowl. Total fats is 8.7 grams. Total carbs is 58.7 grams. And protein is 38.4 grams. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and eat this now, and I'll see you all in the next cooking video, or whatever I'm going to be making on this fitness channel. Alright, stay awesome, kitty savers.